Hey everybody, I'm Bob, and of course this is Elliot Norris, my mustache. Happy Red Friday. So real quick, I just wanted to say, on the days you don't wax, one of the best things you can do for your facial hair, this is mustaches included, is wash it with some quality beard shampoo. It's not as harsh. And then you want to go through, use maybe some beard and face lotion, rub in on the base, get you some beard oil. Today I'm choosing the Animated Coffee Bean Aroma, and then some dry oil beard balm. Put right on and brush through. I'll go through real quick on how I apply it. Alrighty, I'm Bob, and this is Elliot Norris, my mustache. Once again, you have yourself a wonderfully bearded day and happy Red Friday.
Who are you?